Well, do-it-yourself Dell here. The subject of this video is going to be this grandfather clock. It's got really nice wood. It's walnut. It was put together from a kit by a really good carpenter. And this was quite a while ago, and it's not in use. And every week or 8 days or so, you have to pull the chains and lift the weights up, and then the force of gravity operates the clock. And this really is a nice clock. And at the time, I was thinking of maybe getting other grandfather clocks and collecting them, but I don't like the idea of having to keep winding it up. So it sits there and it's not really in use. But it is really nice wood. It really saves some money there by putting it together from a kit. And what did I kill? About 1 minute with this? Are we 1 minute closer to our goal of 4,000? So this is grandfather here, grandfather clock. So far, I haven't been able to find anybody that wants to take it off my hands. So there it is. It is nice. Will that do it? Subscribe and comment, please.